Hi, today in front of me Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel shortcuts, and just to add or remove some of these options from here or just to change their positions, we should click on this edit icon, and just to add, for example, the storage option, we should hold and drag it to the up section. For example, let's also add the data saver. You can add all of these options if you want. To remove the options from here, we should by the same way hold it and just drag it to this down section. To change their positions, we should by the same way hold and drag it by this way. Just to save the changes, we should click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.